two-wheel drive button on it. That's 250. No, that one's
Hey guys, we got a new tire in the market. It's the Nitto RECON Grappler A. On this design, what they try to do is they wanted to stick with the same aggressive look, but at the same time, they try to go with a better tire for the highway. This tire right here, they made it to where you ride smoother on the highway. It looks aggressive. It has two sidewalls. As you can see, this sidewall, it's a little different than this other one. One of them is a little bit smoother. The other one's a little bit more aggressive. That way you could choose whatever sidewall you really want to go with on your vehicle. We're one of the first in the DFW to get this new tire, this Nitto that they came out with. We have them in all sizes. We got 33s, we got 35s, 37, 1350s as well. Any size that you're looking for, we have it. And another thing, stay tuned. We'll be uploading videos once customers start buying these and giving us reviews. We'll be uploading those videos so you can get an idea of how this tire is riding and the quality on it. So hope to see y'all here. If y'all really looking for a new tire, something that looks good, and you get to choose any sidewall you want, come to us. We got them here, any size.
Ready to go.
Take it from the back.
Yeah. Whoa, what?
Take it from the top. Hey guys, this is Benji at Cowboys Customs with a new build right here. It's a Ford F250. We went with the Procom 6-inch lift and the steering stabilizers, some Fox shocks on those. On the wheels, we got American Forces idles, 24 by 12s with the 37 Venom 1350 24. And we just installed him some new amp steps. Look at that beauty. You have to get some amp steps if you're getting a 6-inch lift on this beautiful truck. Come see us at Cowboys Customs. We'll take care of you.
Just mess with it. Just mess with it.
No sé, como 1200 por ahí.
¿No paga en dólares?
¿En dólares?
1200 dólares.
Sí.
Sí, son 1200 dólares.
¿Por qué está pagando tanto dinero, señor?
No sé, yo creo que es por la bodega que tengo atrás donde levanto carros, las compresoras, todo eso.
Ok, mire, pues nosotros estamos ayudándolos a disminuir su bill eléctrico. ¿Usted puede atenderme el día de mañana por la mañana o por la tarde?
Como usted quiera.
Ok, ¿qué le parece el día de mañana a las 6 de la tarde? Yo le haría una llamada de confirmación 2 horas antes, ¿sale?
Ya está, ya dijo.
Ok, ¿usted es el señor Dyke Ferrell? ¿Está correcto?
Sí, me cambié el nombre ahora que agarré los papeles.
Ok.
Para mirarme más americano.
Ok, ¿su crédito score cómo anda, señor? ¿Bueno, regular o malo?
Regular.
Ok, de mi parte ha sido todo. Lo atendió Michelle. Bye, bye.
Bye bye.
Chúpamela.
going on, guys? Big Bird back at it again with the test drives. Today we're test driving 2020 GMC Denali 2500. We just got done building this one. We slapped a 7-inch RCX lift on it with some 22x12 American Force Carver wheels, wrapped in some Nitto 325/50 22 Nitto Ridge tires. Man, the ride on this thing is pretty good. Now, we did do a rough country on this one. There is a lot of controversy out there, I feel like, with rough country. Personally, I think rough country, if you're trying to do a budget friendly build, you know, they're gonna be one of the budget friendly options out there that you can go with. A lot of people say, oh, rough country, rough ride, but not necessarily the case. They do also offer like upgrades to the V2 shocks, or the even with the Vertex shocks with coilovers and stuff. Now, if you're looking for, you know, a step up from rough country, there is plenty of options out there. You can do Vaptech, BDS, Zone, but I mean, personally, if you're just wanting to get, you know, your truck lifted at a budget friendly you're gonna edit that, right?
Yeah.
If you're wanting to get your truck lifted and want to keep it within a budget, rough country is definitely a great option. You guys should take a look at. Two features I like about this truck is the heads-up display it has. I feel like that's really neat. And then also this rear view camera mirror thing. The first time I got in one of these things, I was like tripping completely. I was looking at it and I was like, wait, hold on, that looks, I was like, what kind of mirror is that? That thing looks really real. That's the two things I like about these trucks: the heads up and that reverse mirror camera, whatever you want to call it. But personally, I'm a Ford guy. Can't get me to change my mind on that at all.
F250? No, that much.
God! Scared though. Did he get you? You didn't get scared.
You just drop it.
Hey, cool on. I just saw the flash on it. I dropped this. That's what that is, dude.
I think I got George's reaction on camera.
Like, ¿qué te asustaste, culo? Cause I was pushing out the pop. I was like, damn.
Thought he just lost his thumbs.
What were you doing?
Breaking
trying to break it.
A ver si no jala o qué, o what's going on.
Prendía, güey.
So that's why I was like, I'm gonna get him from behind. Boom. Aventé tres, güey, and the turned off.
Ahora, culo.
Dang it. Dang it, why'd you have to say something? We would have gotten Benji so good.